We're out here at a site in West Marin. You can see it's a historical overwintering site. We had almost 1,000 monarch butterflies here, and unfortunately PG&E had a breakdown in communication. We had a stop work order on the site to stop them from cutting trees because there's a power line here, which they cut the trees to protect the power lines. We actually last year got them to stop, official stop order, and something broke down with a subcontractor who chopped down this key monarch screen. So it's a eucalyptus tree that would screen the wind. And the monarchs are very particular about where they can overwinter. They need generally something that's southern facing, so it lets in the sun. And then it needs to be a bowl shape so it keeps out the wind. They don't like wind and they do like sun because they're trying to sun themselves, feed on nectar, and gain 10% body mass over the winter between roughly October and March. And so as you can see, the integrity of the U was disrupted, and we had to replace it with this wax myrtle from our friend Danny from CNL Nursery. So we bought these 3 almost 10-foot wax myrtles in a sort of emergency mode, desperate measure to keep the wind out. So that's, hopefully it'll work. If there's a decline, otherwise they get washed out in the first storm, or they get washed out by the wind. And then if this year's population dies, it's less monarchs that can reproduce the next year. So that's what happened last year. So we're trying to restore the integrity of this site. Thanks.